Hello friends, today we are working on derivational sort number 36. With this sort we are looking at the Latin roots bene, mal, and the prefixes ante and post. Bene means good or well, mal means bad. So these are literally opposites of each other. The prefixes ante means before, and the prefix post means after. So again, these are opposites of each other. Go ahead and sort your words, and then we can use the meanings of the prefixes and the Latin roots to figure out what some of these words mean. Let's get started by looking at the Latin roots bene and mal. You'll remember that bene means good, so to benefit from something has to do with getting good. Beneficial and benevolent actually have a very similar meaning. Those two words literally mean goodwill. So if I am benevolent towards someone, I probably am wishing them goodwill. You might remember that in sort 34 we looked at the Latin root fac, which means to make. So a benefactor is someone who makes good. A benediction means good saying, and it usually refers to the blessing that's at the end of many religious services. Moving over to the mal column, you'll remember that mal means bad. If something is going to malfunction, the function will be bad, therefore it's not going to work very well anymore. You'll remember that we looked at the word benefactor, which is someone that does good. Therefore, malefactor is probably going to be someone who does bad. If I am malicious, it means that I am going to be trying to find ways to do bad. Moving over to our prefix columns, we have ante, which you'll remember means before, and post means after. You'll probably see a lot of words in history books that have the prefixes of ante and post. Antebellum means before the war. So if you ever see the word postbellum, it means after the war. The words antemeridian and postmeridian are probably not words that you've seen very often. However, you've probably seen the abbreviations for these words. Antemeridian means before the meridian, which also is known as AM when you're talking about time. Postmeridian means PM, or after the meridian. Anterior and posterior mean before in front or behind in back. You probably have also seen another abbreviation for this word, postscript. Postscript means that you write after you've written your previous words, also known as a PS on letters. As you sort your words this week, make sure that you pay special attention to each of the Latin roots and the prefixes in these words so that you can figure out what they might mean.